Hello, and thank you for trusting Reed Nissan with your vehicle servicing needs today. Today, we're talking about something every driver needs to know: brake maintenance. Specifically, why it's important to change your brake pads and check your rotors during every brake job. Your brake pads are critical to your vehicle's safety. They create the friction needed to slow down and stop your car. But over time, brake pads wear down. When they get too thin, several things happen. 1. Reduced braking performance. It takes longer to stop your car, especially in emergencies. 2. Risk of rotor damage. The metal backing of worn pads can grind against your rotors, leading to expensive repairs. 3. Increased heat buildup. Thin pads can overheat, causing brake fade and reducing your control. That's why it's so important to replace your brake pads before they wear out completely. But that's not all. Your brake rotors also need attention. Rotors are the smooth discs that your brake pads press against. Over time, they can develop grooves, warping, or uneven wear. Every time we perform a brake job, we recommend either turning or resurfacing your rotors or replacing them if they're too worn. Why? Because smooth rotors ensure even contact. This improves stopping power and prevents vibration. Extends the life of your new pads. Worn rotors can quickly damage fresh brake pads. Safer driving, properly maintained rotors mean consistent braking performance. At Reed Nissan, we want you to drive with confidence. Our certified technicians use high-quality parts to keep your brakes and your safety a top priority. If you have any questions, feel free to see your service advisor, and remember, all roads lead to Reed.